Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. You got Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Yes, I am the Lone Ranger. Thank you for tuning in on this beautiful weekend, and I hope you're enjoying it. Love being on the bone on Saturdays now. Love being on WDBO on Sundays, and then Saturdays. Of course, I got two shows on Saturdays, one with Cleve and one on my own, and then I've got my show on Sundays. So thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Hope you're getting something out of it. I am not a professional radio show, talk show host by any means. Although I've been doing this for 25 years, I still consider myself to be one of the best mortgage lenders in the entire country. I think I am. My numbers prove it. I'm one of the top producers in the country. I don't say that to brag because I owe it to my clients. I owe it to my employees. My team here is unbelievable. I mean, Cindy has been with me for over 20 years. Monica's been with me for over 10 years. Jazzy's been with me for 6 years. Like my team is here for a long time. Okay. And I'm looking to hire more loan officers right now. So I need at least 2 years experience as a loan officer. And I'm looking to expand branches. So if you work in a branch or you want to start your own branch and you want to really branch out on your own, CrossCountry Mortgage is first of all, we're the largest retail lender in the country right now. We have more loan programs, generally to the tune of 100 more programs than the average lender in the country has. 100 more, not 100 programs, 100 more. So the opportunities are here. They're great. Great benefits, great 401k, all the hospitalization. And by God, as a big lender, our pricing is unbelievable. Our underwriting is the best underwriting I've ever seen from any lender. I've worked for probably 10 different companies and banks over my career. No one can compete with the underwriting at CrossCountry. Our closing department, they close the loan. If it got approved this morning, I'd close it tonight. And that's how fast we can get things done. So everything with us is done in-house. We originate the loan in-house. We process the loan in-house. We underwrite the loan in-house. We fund the loan. We service our own loans. So you don't have to worry about going somewhere else. You don't have to worry about me being a mortgage broker and shopping your credit report from 15 different companies. Okay. People used to think, I'll go to a mortgage broker because they can shop me for the best rate. Do you really think that's what a mortgage broker does? Okay. All you mortgage brokers, go ahead and turn the radio down really low so you don't hear me. Okay. Here's what they do, guys. Mortgage brokers do not shop the best rate for you. They shop the biggest commission for them. Now, me as a direct lender, my people are not commission based. They're salary based. So there's no incentive to try to get you a better or a higher rate or a higher closing cost and then make more money. We don't do that. Plus, we don't broker almost anything. We broker 1% of our loans that we do here, probably even less than that. I can't remember the last loan I brokered. Because even our foreign nationals, our DSCRs, our self-employed bank statement programs, all done in-house, all done with our own products. So we don't have to go out. You don't have to worry about a third party that's going to make up their own guidelines. We know our guidelines. So listen, folks, if you're looking to expand your mortgage company, expand your business, we have acquired some of the biggest branches from other countries in the country. Why? Because people see that we are truly the best. So you call the Lone Ranger at 407-706-3313 or Tampa Bay 813-213-4009. And let's talk about branch opportunities. Let's talk about loan officer opportunities. Let's talk about loan officers that want to sit in my builder communities, loan officers that want to have more products available, loan officers that want to have more support. So if you know somebody in my field, would you be kind enough to refer me to them? I'd really appreciate it. You got my number. Okay, I want to cover some other programs. So, self-employed people, you all are getting ready to do your taxes. You have a choice to make right now. You can either not write off a bunch of your expenses and pay some hefty taxes, but you may qualify for a conventional loan if you do that. Or you can keep doing what you're doing and write off everything you legally can write off and not pay any more taxes than you have to. And then you come to me because I have a program that'll meet your needs. You bring me your last 12 or 24 months business bank statements or personal bank statements. I'll add up all the deposits and I'll give you 50% of that as income. So if you got 20,000 a month in deposits, you got $10,000 a month in income. I know your tax returns won't show it. And all you self-employed people, don't even waste your time going to Rocket or your bank. They're not going to touch you because you're writing everything off. Don't think that they're going to just understand. Well, you should understand I have the right to write it all off. Yes, you do. But if you write it all off, they're not going to use it. We don't care. With our bank statement program, we have multiple options for you. Multiple options. So you want to buy a home? Put your 20% down, 25% down. You got decent credit. Let's do a bank statement program. It's a little bit higher interest rate, but it's not that much higher. So call the loan arranger and we'll get you fixed up. So if you're self-employed, stop screwing around. Let's get your money together. Get your application made at webringyouhome.com. The loan arranger is going to review your file. My team will help gather the docs. By the way, when my team calls you to gather information, it's because I've instructed them to them. I had a client call my office today and said, I only want to talk to Bruce. Okay, you got a 489 credit score. Bruce is not going to get on the phone and talk to you every time I need a document in it. My team is there to do that so that when they've got your documents, then I can get on the phone with you and make sure it's structured perfectly to make sure that you've got the best program. That's what I do. But my job is not to gather your pay stubs and W-2s. I think I'm a little beyond that. I have people to do that for me, qualified people that are better at it than I am. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. I get asked all the time, do you do reverse mortgages? I do reverse mortgages. Yes, I do reverse mortgages. Should I get one? I don't know. Let's look at your numbers. I got a whole reverse mortgage department. I've got construction. You want to build on your own lot? You want to buy a lot? I got my friend Jack. He went into contract to buy a lot for $125,000. He's got a builder building him a house for $360,000. I'm closing on the lot and the construction with the builder simultaneously, all in one shot. Okay. I can do conventional, FHA, or VA. VA, I'll go up to $1.5 million with no money down. How do you like that, veterans? Come on. Veterans, don't get screwed and refinance right now. These lenders are preying on veterans and FHA clients that have FHA loans. Don't get caught up in it. Call the loan arranger. It's not the right time for you. Here's the right time. It's the right time to refinance if you're drowning in debt and you have equity in your property. It's the right time to refinance if you need to consolidate debt or you want to pull money out to make home improvements. It's the right time. It's not the right time to refinance just to lower your rate and lower your payment or eliminate PMI. Don't do that. Call me. I'll put you on a VIP wait list. Now, listen, I established this VIP wait list for my current clients that I've done loans for since February of 2022 when rates went up because they want to refinance when rates drop. So I started a VIP watch list. But then I started getting you guys calling me going, I'm not your current customer right now, but I'd like to get on your VIP wait list. So you send me in your mortgage statement. We look at it. We determine what rate we need to get for you to refinance. I put you on a wait list and then you get a call from me when that happens. So get your application made as well. So I've got all your data in there and we're ready to go. But you want on my VIP wait list, I've opened it up for all my listeners to get on there. So Call or text me at 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313, or finish the application at webringyouhome.com. webringyouhome.com. You know what else I got? I have a reverse second mortgage. Now, as fate would have it, you can't do the reverse second mortgage on top of a reverse first mortgage. It has to be a forward mortgage or a free and clear property. But I've got one. I'm the only one that's got one. I don't know any other company around that has one. I think we actually made up the program and just came up with it. That's what I think. All right. Doctor physician loans, 100% financing, no money down, no PMI. You a physician? Let's get it going. I can help you with that. And I forgive student loans. So we're much more flexible than your traditional conventional or FHA financing or VA financing when it comes to student loans. So self-employed buyers, if you want down payment assistance, there's still programs available. Reverse mortgages, I got them. Construction loans, you want to build on your own lot. You want to find a lot, build your own home. You want me to connect you with a builder, a custom builder, a semi-custom builder, a track builder that'll pay your closing costs. You call me, I'll connect you with those people. Okay. Now, if you think that you can't buy because your credit is not in good enough shape, I want you to apply for a loan. I'm going to do a soft credit pull, and we're going to run a credit analyzer, and I'll put you on a game plan on how to fix your credit for free. Do not subscribe to a paid credit repair program unless I tell you to, and almost never. I want you to get it and get the advice for free from somebody that you can count on. Now, what do I ask in return? I just ask that you come to me for your mortgage. I'll do your credit repair. Listen, you're going to pay $100 a month and $100 to join for average credit repair. Any of you that paid more than that, you got suckered. Okay. But that's the average credit repair. So it's going to take you a year to fix it. So you would have paid $1,300. Don't do it. I'm going to do it for free. Okay. I'm going to help you for free. That's what we're going to do. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. We talked a lot about interest rates and why they're higher today. If you don't understand why they're higher, you didn't listen to the first segment. And you can call or text me and we'll let you know. If you are wanting to seek to buy a property or buy multiple properties to establish wealth, then you need to join my class. I only got a couple seats available. It's in Winter Park, Florida on January the 22nd, 6:30, live and in person. Go to webringyouhome.com, my events page. It's $25 a head to get in, folks. It's $30 per couple. Why do I charge? To make sure you don't register and not show up. So you pay in advance. Because when I have people register, when I've only got 30 seats available and I got people on a waiting list and you don't show up, you're taking knowledge away from somebody that wanted it. So don't do that. You pay to get in. Plus, I'm going to feed you some drinks and some food while you're there. So I'll keep you fed. But no kids. This is a workshop. It's a learning environment. It's not a sales pitch. So register at webringyouhome.com if you want to come to that class. Any realtor that's got buyers sitting on the fence, you're a fool not to pay for them to come into my class. Pay for them to come in my class, and then you come with them. Okay. There'll be other realtors there. There'll be other clients there. We don't poach off each other. There's no sales pitch. Okay. webringyouhome.com. Okay. I got to wrap up the show. I've only got one more minute left. So I want to just go through a few things. Rates are up, but it's a buying opportunity. Okay. Only refinance for debt consolidation or for home improvements. Don't refinance for rate reduction. Get on my VIP wait list. So you got to call or text me. I have a 100% FHA program. Don't forget it. I've got reverse mortgages, construction perm, renovation loans, reverse second mortgages, you name it, I got it. webringyouhome.com, 813-213-4009 for my Tampa Bay friends, 407-706-3313 for my Orlando up to Jacksonville friends and anywhere in between. God bless you. Thank you for joining me today. I'm privileged. Don't forget to go to Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger YouTube page, and subscribe. It's just going to help me out with my subscriptions. It helps me out in my reviews. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day.